Hello world. In this tutorial, we are gonna learn how to download and install Anaconda. So first of all, let me tell you what is Anaconda is. So Anaconda is a scientific distribution for Python and R language. So first let's see how we can download it. So just go to www.anaconda.com/download, and here we can see that the options are for Windows, for Mac, and for Linux. So I am having the Windows version, so here we can download it with Python 3.7 version or either Python 2.7 version. So just click on download and it's gonna start the download. So I have already downloaded, so I'm not gonna download it. And let me tell you one thing, that it's not an IDE. Anaconda is not an IDE. It's just a scientific distribution. It's comes with an Anaconda navigator, which default have Spider notebook. That's an IDE for Python, and some other IDE, default IDE, such as Jupyter Notebook, etc., etc. So let's see how to install it. So we can download it easily from the website. I'm gonna put the link in description. So let's go to the download it, and just hit enter. So here is the pop-up. Just hit next, and let's click on agree, and you can choose what you want. I'm choosing just me. Okay, it's the location for the installation. It's required 3 GB of space, 3 gigabyte of space. Okay, hit next, then next. So the installation will take a few minutes. So just wait for the installation. So finally the installation is complete, and skip this, no need for this, and just finish. Now let's see where is it installed. So check for Anaconda Navigator and just click on Anaconda Navigator. You can see that its Anaconda distribution comes with more than 1400 data science packages, so it's very good to use. I prefer this. So just wait for the navigation. It takes little time to start. Okay, now just close this. Now we are having our Anaconda Navigator. So we are having Jupyter Notebook and Jupyter Lab, Spider ID, and here R Studio. So all these. So let's me just launch Jupyter Notebook. So here we are. It's our Jupyter Notebook. So just I'm gonna write a simple program. New Python 3 file. So what Jupyter Notebook is? Jupyter Notebook is a web-based interactive computing notebook environment It's used to edit and run program of Python. So let's see. So just type hello and click run. So sorry. Uh, so now run this. So it's gonna print hello. Let's suppose 4 plus 5 and run. So it's gonna give 9. 4 multiply by 5, so it's gonna give 20. And let's suppose take an example, 2 raised to the power 3, so it's gonna give 8. Here 2 asterisk means raised to the power. So in Python we use asterisk, number of double asterisk. Okay, and for comment we use has. So it's just a comment, and if we write print something like hello world, so it's just gonna print hello world, and here it's the comment, so it's gonna skip this. So that's all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.